How to see if someone viewed your profile on Instagram. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to see if someone viewed your profile on Instagram. First of all, open your Instagram application. Go to your profile. Click on Menu at the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and click on Account Type and Tools. Click on Switch to Professional Account. Tap on Continue. Select Digital Creator and click on Done. Select Creator and tap on Done. Go to your profile and click on Professional Dashboard. In Account Insights, click on See All at the top right corner. Click on View Insights. Tap on Accounts Reached. Scroll down and check the activity. That's how you can check if someone viewed your Instagram profile. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.